Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be going over why your AirPods might be pausing when you're listening to music or on a call, and what you can do to fix this problem. So this is quite common and it can be due to different bugs. For example, the proximity detection can be broken, or there's some problem with the Bluetooth. So let's go over the different problems and how you can solve them. So first of all, you want to check that the proximity feature is working. So this means that the AirPods recognize when they're in your ear on either side and the proximity to each other. And once you take one out, it automatically pauses your music, which is quite helpful. Or if you want to take it out to talk to someone, this can be quite useful, but this can also cause them to pause. And if this detector is broken, this can be quite annoying. So make sure you're regularly cleaning your AirPods so there's no dust or anything getting in between those detectors. And if it still doesn't work, you can try going into your settings. So go onto your phone, go onto your settings, and look for your AirPods. Then go into the AirPod settings, and now you can turn off the automatic ear detection. And once you turn that off, it'll not automatically pause when you take it out, and that way your AirPods should stop pausing when listening to music. Next, the AirPods also have a feature when you double tap them or when you tap them once, that they either skip the song or they pause or do some sort of action. And this might also be causing your AirPods to pause because you're accidentally pressing it, or you don't know that you have this function in your AirPods. So to change this setting or to disable it as a whole, you want to go into the settings app on your iPhone, go to Bluetooth, and now find your AirPods and tap on the eye icon next to the AirPods. And under the double tap on AirPods section, tap left or right, and then you can either toggle this off, this double tap function, or you can use it for a different command so it doesn't keep pausing your AirPods when you're tapping them. Next, there might be a problem with the Bluetooth. So always make sure the AirPods are close to each other. Don't leave one AirPod somewhere else and then only use the other one to listen to music. That can cause problems. So make sure they're close to each other and there's no big objects in between that can result in a Bluetooth connection loss. And you can also try unpairing and resetting your AirPods to solve this Bluetooth problem. So get your AirPods, get them close to you, and then you want to go into the settings on your iPhone, look for the AirPods, you want to have them connected, and then you can see in your settings the AirPods Pro or whatever AirPods you have, and then you can click on forget this device once you scroll down after clicking on the AirPods. Now to reconnect them, you want to put them back in the AirPod case, then on the back you want to press this little button until this white light in here starts flashing. And then you should be able to pair the AirPods again. So go onto your Bluetooth, look for new devices, and try to pair your AirPods again. And this should solve the problem. So these are 3 fixes you can try out. Make sure to comment down below if you have any more questions about this, and make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you like this video.